Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by opening the Discord mobile app and making sure you're signed in. This puts your account and settings ready. Once done, confirm the app is up to date and permissions are set so invite links open correctly. Now think about what you want: gaming, study groups, or local chats, because clear keywords make searches faster. You're not wasting time on setup. You're preparing focused search terms and ensuring invites will reach you when you find the right server. Next, tap the search icon or the magnifier inside the app and type your keywords. You can filter results to show servers or use Discord's Discover if available. Once you find matches, preview the server's description, member size, and channel list to judge fit. If you use external listing sites or social posts, copy the invite link and open it in Discord. Make sure the link is valid. Take a moment to scan rules and channel names so you know whether it's worth joining. When you're ready, tap an invite and accept any server rules to join, then personalize your nickname and check role access. Make sure to mute noisy channels and tweak notification settings so the server won't overwhelm you. Create folders to keep similar servers organized. If joining fails, don't panic. Verify the invite isn't expired, update the app, and confirm Discord has the necessary phone permissions. If problems persist, open the invite link in your mobile browser to bypass app issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.